Start. Hello everyone, my name is Ayush and today I am going to present why programming is important. So let us see. When you listen this sentence, why programming is important, the first thing that comes in our mind is programming. What is programming or what is program? So So, what is program? A computer program is a sequence of instruction written using a computer programming language to perform a specific task by the computer. It's called programming language. It's called program. So basically, here when we see this definition, the two main important terms that we are using here is sequence of instruction, and the second one is computer programming language. What is sequence of instruction? So let us assume if you want to go from point A to point B, you will have to take some instruction. Without instruction you can't go there, because you have to take some instruction to reach the point A from point A to point B. So we are the sequences of instruction that basically means that instruction we are taking for reaching whatever the programming goal is here. And the second important thing is computer programming language. So we use several languages to communicate with each other, but in computer, to communicate with computer, it is important to there is a specific languages through which we can communicate with the computer. So here we are using some of the popular programming languages, that is C, C++, Java and Python and much more. What is the need of programming language? The main core of this question is what is the need of the programming language. So basically we know that we can access the virtual world without any knowledge of programming language, but to communicate with computer and make any changes and perform any secure thing which is more secure, you need to communicate with computer, because without communicating with computer you can't make change in whatever the decision or whatever I want to print in the computer, or whatever the program I want to design. We can't design without communicating with the computer. So we need to communicate with the computer, and in the process of communicating we need a programming language. So there is a need of programming language that through which we can communicate to the computer. This is the main role of the if you really want to build something with computer, the need of communication with computer is very important, so that it is the main reason. The another main reason is to secure your data. Whenever you enter in a virtual world, there is much more thing which can track your every single step that you have taken or going to take in the virtual world. Is basically you can say that it's read by another much more company to sell their products, to strategically sell you their products, because it's important. If they don't know the mind structure of you, how can they sell the product to you? So that is important. So if you don't have any secured protection in the computer, you can track very easily whatever is your thinking ability, and whatever we can make a model out of it, how can it work and this kind of thing, because we know that through your steps, whatever you are doing in the virtual world, we can know that how you think, how you behave. We can easily know this. So this can be used in our benefit also, and it reverse of it can use to destroy our lives and much more. And the main reason is everything is gone or going to be online, because or will be gone in online. So we know that many much more things are gone online already, and there are many much more thing also there is present that is not online today, but we know that in future it is going to be online. So that is the main reason why we should learn programming language. And the next slide is do you have any question? You can ask. No. Whatever the question. Yeah, sure. But it's through the interaction of the class, so we can have that. Do you have any question? You can ask. Anyone? Related to this context, why programming is important.